Okay, so I'm back. And the last time that I filmed a video, I was talking about how I was really struggling with sleep at the moment, or lack thereof of sleep. It's not actually an issue with sleep, it's an issue that I'm having without much sleep. When I filmed the video last week, I had literally just started a medication called nortriptyline, I think it is. I mean, I'd only taken it, I think, one night at the time of filming, and I had a good experience. I fell asleep and I definitely slept longer than I usually would. So I was thinking, oh yeah, so when I filmed my video, I was feeling very hopeful and optimistic and super positive really about that. But then the next day I took it, I had a completely different experience. Like, I could not get to sleep at all. And then I woke up just as early as I usually would. And then when I woke up, I felt like I was missing like part of my brain. It was just like I was missing a feeling of like emotion. It's bizarre. Like, it's really, really challenging to actually kind of articulate how I was feeling. But like, I was definitely not feeling good. And I kind of could feel like my brain chemistry had shifted a bit in a negative way, and then, you know, on top of the fact that I had a terrible night's sleep anyway, I was just thinking, f you to nortriptyline, like, f you nortriptyline, like, where do you get off giving me insomnia, like not being able to get to sleep when I'm trying to take you to get me to sleep? And I know some of you are probably saying, Amanita, you tried it 2 days. I know, but I know my own mind and I didn't like it and I don't want to try it again. Like, no. And probably the first day was a fluke because I was so exhausted on that first day. I think I could have taken magnesium and that probably would have knocked me out, to be honest, on that day. But I don't know, I'm starting to feel really hopeless. And I'm going to be really honest here, but the only thing I found that actually knocks me out is Night Nurse. It is iconic, like Night Nurse. And it's the medicine that you would take if you've got flu and you just want to get some sleep. But it seems to be that, oh, actually, a salpiclone, I don't know. Why do they make the name so tough to pronounce when you're already suffering to pronounce anything because your brain doesn't work because it's deprived of sleep? Oh, right, okay, I've got another update. So also, I was Googling kind of the best herbal remedies for insomnia, and at the top of the list was valerian root. I knew it was going to come to me. So this is what I don't like. I feel like I'm missing part of my brain. And I'm in bed at like 9 o'clock every night, so I should not be struggling with tiredness. So it's so frustrating. If I was up till midnight every night, then I would get it and I would accept it and I would say, oh yeah, I'm a bit sleep deprived, but oh well, what do you expect when you stay up at midnight? But I don't, and that's what's really frustrating. But anyway, that's beside the point. So valerian root came up as like #1 for best herbal UK sleep remedy. So I thought, I'm in. So I found some on Amazon, bought it. By the way, it stinks. I don't know if you've ever smelt it. It stinks. And apparently, I read on Reddit that it sends cats wild because it has some element in it that smells similar to a cat urine smell, which literally, right, there's not been anything that has ever put me off taking something more than it smells like cat urine. And like, just that sentence almost ruined my chances of even trying valerian root, to be honest. I mean, I've tried other like illegal drugs like in my past and they come with a lot of warnings, but not one of those warnings was sufficient enough for me to actually not take it. But it smells like cat urine. No. And I tested out the theory on my cats and they went fucking mental. Oh my gosh, it was like a rave, like an all-night rave. Like they've been purring all night and they're just off their tits. They weren't mental, but I'm glad someone had some positive effects from the valerian root because I sure did not. So I took it last night at bedtime. Did it send me to sleep? No! It didn't kind of stop me. It wasn't as bad as nortriptyline, but I did not drift off as I hoped I would. And then I was up just as early, if not earlier, this morning. So I'm trying these different herbal remedies. I'm trying them. But night nurse. Might just take night nurse for like forever. And I don't even have to take it every night. Just, I don't know, every other night maybe. Oh, guys, I'm just getting really fed up with this now. Just fed up. I'm fed up of sleep, of good sleep, being rare. I'm fed up of feeling optimistic every night. Oh, I'm going to have a good sleep tonight. And then I never do. I'm fed up of feeling like I'm missing 3/4 of my brain. I'm fed up of feeling guilty because I'm just too exhausted to feel like I'm properly engaging with my kids and giving them the presence, not presents. I do feel guilty I can't give them presents too, but presence, like I feel like I'm not able to engage with them in the way I want to, and I can't help but feel the way it's through no fault of my own. I'm not partying, I'm not going out on benders, I'm not staying up late, I'm doing everything right, but yet I'm punished with tiredness because my brain wants to wake up early. Like my brain is self-destructive right now. Like my brain is against me. Surely my brain should be for me, because for my brain to survive, like I have to survive. We are one. Me and the brain, buddies. But no, my brain does not think we're buddies. My brain thinks, oh, this is my nemesis right here. I must destroy her. I must destroy her. But anyway, guess who I'm going to be calling again tomorrow? My doctor. Yeah, she's going to get the 3rd phone call from me in 2 weeks, because I don't know what I want from her even at this point. I want really strong sleeping tablets. That's what I actually want from her. I know what I want. And eventually she's just going to get fed up with me. She'll be like, okay, have it. Have it. I tried nortriptyline. Well, you're going to say I didn't try it because I took it 2 days, but I know my own body. And nortriptyline is like a sister to amitriptyline, which I tried a while ago because I had nerve pain, and that made me loopy. It really did. So I don't think I need extra loopiness on top of extreme tiredness. No. Honeys could not deal with that. I'm gonna go. I just wanted to check in and have a moan. I wanted to have a moan, to be honest, is what I wanted. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one, where hopefully I look more awake.